point R with coordinate h comma k divides a line segment between the axes. So first of all, what we are doing here, we will draw the axis, right? So this is the x-axis, y-axis we have taken, and this is the x-axis, right? Now I am putting the arrows because the lines, the axes are continuous because the values are going on and on both the sides. So this is a point of intersection which is 0. Now there is a line, they are saying there is a line segment having a particular value. So between the axes, so we are taking h comma way because we don't know that whether h is negative or positive or k is negative or positive. So we are taking in the first quadrant only. Let's say this is the line segment that they are talking about. Let's take as this point as p and this point as q. Now we know that very well whenever the point is on the x-axis, because q point is on the x-axis, so the coordinate of q point will be, let's say, a comma 0. Y is always 0 when it is on the q x. So this distance is a, so the coordinate will become a comma 0. When the point is on the y-axis, the x is 0, and let's take this distance as b, so this will be b. Now what they are saying that you have this, there is a point r with coordinate h comma k, which divides, so something somewhere on the line, that point is r. So here I am taking as r. Less distance I am taking of r with p because they are saying the ratio 1:2. So this line have a ratio as 1:2. Okay, divides in the ratio of 1:2. And the coordinate is h comma k of this. So because we know that whenever we have something with the ratios, so we can easily use a section formula. So they are saying find the equation of line. So everybody know what is the general equation of line, which is y is equals to mx plus c. So we have to work for this. Okay, now how to do that? That's we have to understand. Now if you will see, that if I will use the section formula for line PQ, so section formula works for point R, which is somewhere on PQ. So section formula talks about that the point which is on the line segment, that is equals to, because it is not the midpoint, okay, the ratio is not 1:1. So the formula for that is, the general formula that I'm talking about any point on the line segment is m x2 plus n x1, this is n my, okay, over m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 over m plus n, right? This is the general formula. Now what is m ratio n? M ratio n is 1:2, so m is 1 and n is 2. x1, x2, y1, y2 we already have in the form of a and b. So let's talk about that. This, that is equals to, what is m? M is 1 times, what is x2? So let's take this point as x1, y1 and this point as x2, y2. So what is x2? X2 is a plus n is 2 multiply x1, x1 is 0 over 1 plus 2, comma. Then we have again m times y2, y2 is 0 plus 2 multiply y1, which is b, over again 1 plus 2, which is 3. Okay. Now r of h comma k, that is equals to, let's sort it. So 1 multiply a is a plus 0. So we are not writing a comma 3, and this will become 2b over 3 because this portion is also getting 0, right? After that, we compare the coordinates. So x with x we compare and y with y. So h is equals to a over 3. So value of a is 3h. And then we have k is equals to 2b over 3. So value of y will be 3k over 2. Now, everyone, we know that the point that we have, P and Q, they are on the axis. And whenever we have point on the axis, we directly use the intercept form of the equation of line, right? And what is the intercept form, everyone? That is x over a plus y over b is equals to 1. Okay, this is the slope intercept form. So intercept form, basically intercept form, right? Intercept form of the equation of line. So we know the value of a and b, we have already find it, which is 3h plus y over, what is the value of b? It's 3k over 2. So 2 will go in multiply with y, that is equals to 1. So we know that we can easily take the LCM. So how to solve it? So I'm doing it here. Okay. So it will be, let's take the LCM. So LCM will be 3hk. So here you will get kx plus 2yh, that is equals to 1. So equation will become 2yh is equals to, go in multiply. So 3hk minus kx, okay, because I'm taking a kx to that. First, I will take 3hk to that side in multiply. Then I will take kx to that side. So equation will be in the form is 2yh, that is equals to, let me rearrange it because I want completely in the form of this. So, 2yh, that is equals to xk plus 3hk, because this is minus and this is positive. So I'm just swapping their position with the signs. So y is equals to this over 2h plus 3hk over 2h. 3hk over 2h. So h cancel with h and nothing else. So the equation will become y is equals to minus xk over 2h plus 3k over 2. So this is the final value. And if you will compare this